So at this point, we have our site pretty much set up correctly. Okay, we've got the location we're going to FTP the files to, and we've kind of set up this database container. So our next step is going to be to publish to a folder and then FTP to the site. So what we need to do is right-click on the solution and choose Publish. Now, what you should see, let's see, is a little different screen. Let me go over here. So the first time you do this, this is what you should see, okay? And so we have app service, which is Azure. We have virtual machines, neither of which is what we're going to be using. Then the last two options are similar. The IIS FTP uses web deploy, which allows you to publish from right inside Visual Studio. We are actually not going to do that. We are going to use folder. So this is actually going to physically create a folder that we will be FTPing using FileZilla. So you can see where it's going to put the folder. Under bin, it's going to add a release folder and a publish folder, and that's where it's going to put all the files that we need to transfer. Now we do need to pick advanced here. And it wants our connection string. Okay, so we are going to kind of paste in our connection string. And again, we can go grab that, or we could probably copy it also from web config if we needed to. Let me see. I've got too many things open. Where is it? Right here, I think. All right, so I still have it highlighted. I'm going to right click and copy. And please note that you are going to have to fix your password again. Let's throw this in here. And then I'm going to change this. And I'm going to pause while I'm doing it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. So after I've done that, then I'm going to go ahead and click Create Profile. And then I'm going to click on Publish. So once you click on Publish, if you check in your output window, you should see Publish 1 succeeded. And so what that means is it created the folders, and it now has those files in the folders. So here's my to-do app master. Let me go in here. It's under bin, release, release, and publish. These are the files that we need to FTP. So we're going to go ahead and set up FileZilla. Now, I'll tell you, this connection does not stay open very long. As you can see, I've already done this once, and now I'm going to do it for my Scooby user. So your FTP site should be ftp.site4now.net. And I'm going to go back out to the site. And let me minimize this, because they do have all of this information for you. So if we go back to websites, see what I mean about having to re-log in? Whoops, try that again. All right, so let's go to the control panel and let's see our FTP information. All right, so ftp.sitefornow.net, that looks correct. And this user is Scooby Doo 001. Password, I believe I made them the same, but I will, well, let me key that in again. I get paranoid about passwords here. And I'm going to do a quick connect. All right, so this is the site that I'm going to transfer to. So I'm going to open it up. Now I need to navigate over here on the left side where I put the to-do master. And I actually have that inside repos. Here is my to-do app master. And remember, you have to open up the publish folder. So we have to navigate to that. So that was under bin, release, and publish. And I'm going to click the first, shift and click on the last, and just drag it over. And then once it is completely done FTPing, all I have to do is select this link. Okay, this is the link that I need to use to get to that site. So if I click on this, and it does take a few moments to load, so you have to be patient. Here it is. And I can create new. Try that again. What would Scooby be doing? Eat a morning snack. Eat lunch. Investigate with Shaggy. Okay, so you can see create works. Should be able to look at details. Should be able to edit. Eat a morning Scooby snack. Okay, and then delete should also work. So what you need to submit to the Dropbox is this URL. So you're just going to click on it, copy it, paste it right into the Dropbox.